Hey guys, I'm showing you this remote control car toys. This is for 6 to 12-year-old boys and 2.4 GHz RC boat for kids. 4-wheel drive, RC monster truck, stunt car, waterproof, and everything is there. So as you can see, this remote that comes with it, a screwdriver for the batteries thing. This is the main car. So all the wheels and things are they are like of plastic with this rubber grip. So two screws to open for the battery. So I'm just opening the screws for the battery, and you can see that this is also a waterproof thing. So the casing is made like there will be no water, like with this rubber things, and then the rechargeable battery inside. So this rechargeable battery is actually the good thing that you can recharge it whenever it's exhausted, so you don't need to place batteries again and again. So this is a USB charger that comes with it, and you just put it inside that USB thing and the light will be on. When it's fully charged, light is off. And I will just charge this first. So yep, it's now fully charged. So I will just be careful because of the pins.
So I will just put this battery
And then
back
you
up
have to
inside
put
it.
this pin inside this car. So this is an amphibious stunt RC car. So it's a 180-degree flips, 360-degree spins, and a lot of other features that I will show you later on. Right now I just put in the battery and I will just close in the casing. So this is a 4-wheel drive with a 160 feet remote control distance, and this is also a durable and strong car body that I will show you when jumping around. And it's a non-toxic waterproof material, so it can go in the mud, any floor, water, or anywhere. So for the remote you have to put two you know AAA batteries not supplied with it. So once this is put, it's ready to go. So just press the on and off button on the top. So I'm just showing you the car here, and you can see the light is on. So yeah, is off and then on. So this is also a waterproof button. This is on now and synchronizing with the remote. Now you can see is ready to go with the high speed. So I will also show you once like here, and then I will show you on the outside. So this one you can see 160 one 360-degree spin and 180-degree flip as well. So that part I will show you outside, not here. And you can see the car is 360-degree spin, so you can see like the 180-degree flip here and the whole working of this car. So hope your kid like that too, and my kids like it. They are just playing with it like this, and they are running it.
So it can switch too. Like, it can rotate.
So in the ground, I'm just showing on the grass and the sand. So there is a water also in here, some amount of it, as the morning time. So you can see there is no effect of water on it. You can also submerge that in the water, but it's winter time. So hope your kids like this